Gabe, can you tell me about your Saturday box?
It has pictures on it of Shaun the Sheep.
Alright,
Shaun the Sheep. Those are great. Those are great pictures. So why did you make a Saturday box?
Because Saturday's my favorite day.
Yeah? What do you keep in your Saturday box?
A soccer ball.
What else?
That's all I need to know.
That's all I need to know? Okay.
Dad, look what the pictures look like.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, you got Shaun the Sheep. Yeah, I think those are great Shaun the Sheep pictures. Did you feed some sheep yesterday?
Yeah.
What was your favorite one to feed? The one with the white face or the one with the black face?
Both.
Both? Alright.